Hello, welcome to All in a Game. In today's quiz, we have two teams, so it's a team challenge. All right, let me introduce you to the teams. In team A, we have,
I'm Pramila.
I'm Raghavi.
and in team B, we have.
Aishwarya.
Badri Lakshmi.
All right. So, for your information, these are my cousins and they are my aunts. So, let's see who wins this quiz. All right. So, guys, are you ready for the quiz today?
Yeah.
Okay. So, today's quiz is all answers will start with the letter F. Okay. F for fish. Okay. So, whatever question I ask, the answer will be starting with F. Think and answer. At the end, we will have a bonus question which will give you 2 points additionally. All the other questions will have 1 point. All right? Okay? Okay? Let's see who wins. Are you guys ready? All right, let's go. All answers start with the letter F. First question. A tube-shaped musical instrument with... Sorry?
Flute.
Flute. Exactly. Correct. All right. So they got it right. Good one. And because they're all debutantes, let's see who is not nervous. I thought she was the most nervous. She is the first to answer. Flute is the correct answer. Let me finish the question. A tube-shaped musical instrument with a hole that you blow across at one end, holding the tube out horizontally on one side. So that is a flute. Okay. Next question. A utensil used for eating food.
Frying pan.
Lovely.
Fork.
Fork. Exactly. Eating food. We don't eat food with a frying pan, okay? Fork is the correct answer. So the team B gets this one as well. Come on, team A, buck up. Let's see. Okay. Next one. An area of land with fields and buildings that is used for growing crops and keeping animals.
Farming.
Farm.
Farm.
Farm it is. Okay, team A has woken up now. Let's see. It's going to be a head on. Farm it is. All right. Let's go to the next one. A type of light sandal like slippers typically worn as a form of casual footwear. Casual footwear.
Flip flops.
Flip flops. Good one. Yes, it is flip flops. All right. Let's see. Let's go to the next one. Okay. What is the opposite of smile?
Cry.
No. F.
Feel.
Okay, I'll tell you. No,
Fright.
not furious. No, not fright. Although, yeah, they're close, but the exact answer is something else. So, when we smile, we say like this. When we
Sad.
No. So, our
Flower.
mouth goes like this, the other way. Come on, there is a word. Come on.
Sad. No, F. Okay.
Come on, guys. Okay, let me give you a clue. This answer rhymes with crown. I've almost given you the answer, guys. Starts with F.
Flea.
Crown. It rhymes with crown.
Frown.
Frown. It is frown. Yes. So smile and frown. That's what it is. All right. Okay. Good. They get the point. Team B gets it. Okay. Let's go to the next one. A group of birds is called what?
Flying.
No. Group of birds. It's called what?
Flock.
Flock. It is a flock. So it is either a flock of birds. Even a group of sheep is called a flock. So it is flock of birds or flock of sheep. There are multiple animals also that are called flocks together. All right. Okay. Be loud. Be confident with your answer. Say
Okay.
it loudly. Okay. Come on. They should also know you're very confident in giving the answer. All right, guys. Next one. Another term or the synonym or meaning of destiny starting with F.
Fantasy.
Destiny. Destiny is what?
Opposite of destiny.
No. The
Synonym,
meaning. Another
meaning.
word for destiny.
Finishing point.
No. Destiny. So something that
Finishing point.
no, when you talk
Fate.
about what is going to happen.
Fate.
Fate.
I only said.
You said
fate.
fate first. Okay. I thought she told it first. Okay. Both of you gave it though. Fate is correct. Fate or fortune. Both are synonyms of destiny. Okay. So F it is. Okay. Good one. Next. Caused by falling or accidents or sports injury in medical terms.
First aid.
In medical terms, a broken bone is called
Fracture.
fracture. It is. Yeah, that's a confident answer. Come on. All right. Next one. Ready. The right or ability to do or say anything you want is called what? Do or say anything you want.
First.
Faith.
The right or ability to do or say anything you want or you want to do anything, nobody is there to stop
Fine.
you. No. I want to be.
Free.
So the
Freedom,
word
freedom,
is
freedom.
Freedom is the other. You gave it to them. You should have said freedom. All right. Freedom. I will give to them. So anything that we want to do, it's freedom. Okay. So like freedom of speech, freedom of doing things. We're all free people, right? Okay. Let's go to the next one. Something that follows established rules, customs, or procedures, often in a serious or official manner. So maybe it might describe the way you're dressing to your office.
Formals.
Formals. Yes,
Formals.
exactly.
Correct.
Formal. So it can describe the way you dress, the way you're talking to people, like you talk to your bosses, elder people.
formal.
Exactly. The way you talk, your language, your behavior, all of that. All right, great. Formal it is. All right, let's go to the next one. A term used in sports where a player breaks or does an
First
action
aid.
against the rules. Especially
Yeah,
used
that's
in
Foul.
Foul it is. All right. Wow. Team B is on fire. All right. Come on, team A, buck up. You can do it. Okay. This is simple. A powder made by grinding raw grains, roots, beans, nuts, or seeds.
Flour.
Flour.
Yeah, you're faster, Aishu. Come on, you can be louder. You can say it loudly. It is a flour. So flours are used to make all kind of breads, rotis, anything. All right. Okay. Let's go to the next one. A group of signs, letters, or numbers used in science or mathematics to
Formula.
express.
Formal.
Formula.
Fast, good one.
She is a math student now.
True. She also has a son who she teaches,
Yeah.
so she remembers it. Not bad. Okay. Formula it is. So in science or maths, to express a general law or fact, formula like a plus b the whole square is a square plus b square plus
2ab.
2ab. Wow. Not forgotten your maths yet. Okay. Let's go to the next one. An unpleasant emotion or thought that you have when you're worried by something dangerous, painful, or bad that is happening or might happen.
Fate.
Fright.
No. Okay. You're closer, but
Fear.
Yeah.
exactly. Fear it is. Okay. Yes, it is fear. Okay. So, okay. A quick thing. What are you scared of? What is your fear? Something that you're scared of. What is it?
Dark.
Dark. You're scared of dark. Okay. What is your fear?
My husband is my fear.
புருஷங்காரன் சிந்திக்கணும் பொண்டாட்டிங்கிறவாத ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும் புரியுதா இது எத்தனை
2
இது
1
ரெண்டையும் சேர்த்தா
3
இல்ல 4
2 1 3 தாங்க வரும்.
அது பள்ளிக்கூடத்து கணக்கு இது புருஷன் கணக்கு புருஷன் சொன்னா 2 1 4 இப்ப சொல்லி எத்தனை
4
Okay, so we genuinely have a wife here who fears her husband. All right, Aishu, what is your fear?
Basically, I'm an introvert, so,
So,
fear
being
to
on camera. So today you're fighting your fear and on camera on our channel, guys. So we have somebody who's fighting a fear and still leading, giving all answers. Good one. Okay, what is your fear?
My son's marks.
See? Okay, so now we know how she knew formula even before I finished the question. So she fears, oh God, how much is my son going to score? Let me find a formula for it. All right, okay, let's go to the next question next. Okay, so next one. Soft, light things that cover a bird's body.
Leather.
Ooh, are really fast.
Very speed.
Consisting of long, thin central part with hair-like materials along the sides. Feather, it is correct. Okay. Now we are on the bonus question. Okay. This question, if you answer, you get 2 points. In case you're 2 points behind them, if you answer this, it will become a tie.
Okay.
So be quick, think fast. All right, guys. And if you are in the lead, you'll still stay in the lead. All right. Let's go. Bonus question. This one. Making an illegal copy of something like a document or signature to deceive others.
Fraudulent
Fraud.
act.
Fraudulent act.
No, I am a fraudulent act. No, not exactly. I'm looking at a particular word.
Fraud.
No. Fraud. It is similar to fraud, but something that you do. See, you're gonna like it's more like you say when you make fake documents. Fake documents. No, I'm giving you the word. So what are they called? When you're making a copy of the document, a fake copy.
Second.
of it.
Oh no.
So there is another word for that. I'm looking for that word.
Forgery.
Yes.
Forgery. Yes, good one.
Got
so
2
see,
points.
fear can lead you to winning also, guys. Here we have an example. She is very, very, very soft spoken, an introvert, she doesn't talk, and today she's given the answers like this. All right, guys. So is she. So both of them today have fought their fears, sitting here playing with us for all you guys. All right, forgery or forge the documents is the answer. Okay, before I announce the winner for today's quiz, let me give you the viewer's question for today. So the question for you guys is the part of a person's face above the eyes and below the hair. Above the eyes and below the head. What is it called? Okay, I don't want you to give the answers. The viewers have to give the answer. Guys, if you know the answer, leave the answer in the comments. We will pick a random winner and we will get in touch with you and send you a gift. So don't forget, if you know the answer, just leave it in the comments. It was a great episode. Let's see who wins. And the winner for today's quiz is Team B. Alright guys, it was an amazing episode. Hope you guys had as much fun as we had playing it right here. So if you guys enjoyed today's quiz, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and stay updated on all our regular videos. Until then, bye.
Bye from all in the game.